Mic test. Check, check, check. Welcome, folks, to our game tonight at the Charles Schwartz Arena. We have the Highland Park Central Scots facing the Tartan Titans. Both teams are just getting ready to enter the ice here, and then we'll have announcements and the national anthem, and we'll get started with the game. Should be a pretty good matchup tonight. We have Tartan visiting here with 5 wins and 14 losses, and the Scots have 6 wins, 12 losses, and 2 ties. So we're hoping that we pair nicely with these guys and have a good, solid game. Volume.
Highland Arena for this Minnesota State High School League boys varsity hockey game featuring the Titans of Tartan High School versus the Scots of St. Paul Highland Central. This evening, St. Paul Scots welcome you to Hockey Fights Cancer Night. During the game, we will be fundraising to support the American Cancer Society's vision to end cancer as we know it. Donations will be accepted in the lobby between periods, and proceeds from Chuck-a-Puck during the second intermission will benefit cancer research. At this time, please join us in a moment of silence to remember loved ones impacted by cancer. Thank you. Now let's meet the starters.
All right, meeting the starters for the visiting team.
Winding the net for the Titans, sophomore number 29, Nathan McGuire.
Nathan McGuire will be in net for the number 29.
At right defense, junior number 15, Tyler Luttrell.
Tyler Luttrell at defense, number 15.
At lefty, junior number 2, Wiley Rutherford.
Wiley Rutherford will be his defensive pair, number 2.
Number 11, Benny McClellan.
Benny McClellan, number 11.
And right wing, senior number 8, Jace Bucci.
Number 8, Jace Bucci.
At center ice, senior captain number 7, Braxton Remical.
Braxton Remical, number 7, will be playing center.
Coaching the Titans, Cole Leach, Matt McKenzie, Doug Ursa, Kevin Bucci, and Nick Boland. Now the home team Scots, beginning with our flag skaters. They are both Edgecombe Mini-Mites who attend Adams Spanish Immersion School. Please welcome Duncan and Oliver Zavala. Now the home team Scots. Guarding the goal for St. Paul, junior number 30, Emery Batt.
All right, Emery Batt will be in net tonight for the Scots, number 30.
At right defense, senior captain number 54, Isaac Johnson.
Isaac Johnson, number 54.
At lefty, junior number 16, Gavin Olson.
Gavin Olson will be his defensive partner tonight, number 16.
Left wing, senior number 6,
Mustafa Ahmadad, number 6.
At right wing, senior number 41,
Leo
Leo Kirsch.
Kirsch, number 41.
Right, senior captain number 4, Tommy.
And Tommy Russ, number 4, will be centering up.
The Scots are coached by Paul Ryan, Chip Plum, Chad Samuelson, and Andy Ryan.
All right, we're going to have our national anthem here,
This
folks.
time we invite you to rise for our national anthem.
All right, folks, let's play hockey. All right, so looking at our opponents here, we do have some key players to keep a lookout for. Braxton Remekel, he has 14 points. He's number 7. 11, Benny McClellan, he's got 12 points. Number 8, Jace Bucci has 12 points. And 24, Carter Parent has 10. So 7, 11, 8, and 24 are our key players on Tartan's team to keep an eye on tonight. And as many of you know, our key players for the Scots are top scorers are Isaac Johnson, Leo Kirsch, and Tommy Rust. And this will be an interesting matchup because a few of our guys on the Scots have a long history with many of the Tartan players. Both Isaac Johnson and Mustafa Ahmadad played from 3 years old until 14 with many of these kids. So it'll be interesting to see what their dynamic is tonight. All right. Scots dump it in early. Puck goes around the net. Tartan able to move it into the neutral ice, but quickly picked up by the Scots. Rust is going to take it in. He's going to go in on the rush. He brings it to the corner looking for his opportunity. He gets hit on the boards. Tartan picks it up. Mustafa is going to dump it in deep. Tartan picks up control. He takes a hit. Mustafa Ahmadad up to Rust. Rust to Kirsch. Kirsch is going to carry it in. He's looking for his pass. Gives it to Johnson. Johnson's shot is saved. Got a new grouping out there with Max Kavernen and McMullen, with Warner, Charlie Rust, and Ian Wallace. Scots are going to get a face-off in our offensive zone here. Tartan gets the entry. Tartan shoots, and their pass is just wide of the net. Ian throws it up, and it ends up at the dot. Tartan retrieves it. They push it towards the net. Easy save by Bat. Says it's connected. Okay. All right, folks, we will try this again. Sorry about that. We're going to have to get our camera back up on our tripod here in a second, so you're going to have my manual feed here. Okay, we're going to get back up on the... All right. Hopefully this is fixed. Everyone should be able to reconnect. All right. Okay, here we go. Current score is 0-0. We have 6 minutes to go in the first period. We have Jack Bradford out here with Evan Ship and Grant Tilson and Sean McMullen and Max Carvin. And Tartan currently working to break it out. Scott's interrupting that play. Tartan picks it back up. They take a long pass going out of the zone. They're going to take an icing call here. Leo Kirsch steals it in, ends up and nice shot by Rust. Scots lose it at the line. They're going to go in and have to go behind the net. We had some good forechecking. They were able to, attempted pass to Rust. Does touch his skates, so we're not going to get an icing call here. Rust able to pick it up. He kicks it out. Scott's not able to take control. Johnson has to pull out of the zone. Mustafa Ahmadad gives it back to Johnson. Johnson puts it on Olsen's stick. Olsen able to get around, but he gets knocked off the play. He's able to pick it up again. Pushes it over to Kirsch. Kirsch has got open space. His shot is saved. The puck ends up in the netting. All right, Johnson picks up the point. He's not able to hold the zone. Tartan's able to take control. They're going to bring it out to neutral space. They're going in on the rush. Shot attempt is saved by Bat. Tartan still controlling it in the zone. Scots break up the play. Nice poke check by Charlie Rust. Ian Wallace pushes it back and forth. Olsen banks it off the boards. Johnson picks it up behind the net. Wallace goes in for support. He grabs it. He's going to take a pass up to Rust. Rust mishandles it in the neutral space. Olsen saves it at the blue line. We're going to do a little regroup breakout here. Johnson able to get that puck progressing forward. Scots are going to have to go in for the corner here. What are we going to get? Looks like Scots are going to the box. Grant Tilson got a penalty. Rust at the dot. Puck ends up in Tartan's hands. They take the shot. Nice save by Bat. It does go out. Johnson picks it up. He's going to push it out of the zone. Tartan holds it. Both teams battling for control in neutral space. Looks like we're going to get an out of play. That's going to end up in our defensive zone here. All right, Rust here on the faceoff. Puck ends up back in the corner. Johnson goes in to protect. Tartan's able to push it up to the point. Nice save by Bat. Scott's got 1 minute, 30 seconds to go on this penalty kill. We have 2 minutes, 51 seconds to go in this first period. The score is 0-0. McMullen attempts to clear it. It ends up bouncing in, but Johnson was able to send it all the way down. Tartan really pulling the Scots out of the zone here, so we're having to back up really far. They go in for the rush. They push it to the corner. Pressure by Mustafa. Shot towards the net is shy on the left. Bradford defending at the on the right side. Bucci working around the net. Oh, and they lose it at the blue line. Scots are going to go on, giving them a little bit of pressure, hopefully. Nope, they're going to let them regroup here. We got 45 seconds to go on this penalty kill. Johnson's going to be able to get it. He's going to send it. Booch is carrying it in. Oh, we're going to get a hit. Scots are going to go into the box again. This penalty will be on Gavin Olson. Scots needing to touch this puck. We got 2 seconds to go in our existing penalty, and Gavin Olson is going to the box now. We can't have these penalties, folks. It's too tight of a game, and the matchup is too close to have penalties. All right, at the face-off dot is Chuck Campbell and Tommy Rust. Scots win the draw. Johnson, ooh, Tartan steals it away. We got one guy out of the box here. We're on a 4-man kill. Johnson's looking for an opportunity. He wants to go. He's going to take it in. He still has it behind the net. Tartan able to pick it up. It's hard to go against 4 guys. 1 minute, 30 seconds to go in this PK. We got 52 seconds to go. Looks like we're going to get a face-off in our offensive zones. Tartan got an icing call. Campbell and Rust at the dot. Tartan picks it up. Looking for their breakout options. Their shot is just high. Oh, and Rust grabs it. Nice bounce for Scots, but he's going to get bumped off the play. These Tartan boys, they're not weak. They're going to be strong hitters, so we're going to have to get low, get some speed, find our strength. Oh, Johnson just really laid out a guy. I'm surprised that they didn't call that as a penalty. All right, that's the end of the first, folks. We have we're going to be going into our second with a penalty kill with 36 seconds to go on the clock. Current score is 0-0. Scott's been riddled with the penalties this period. We're going to have to figure it out. I'll stay on here for a second and wait for shots on net. I was waiting for shots on net, but it looks like maybe we aren't going to get that. So We will get those for you when we come back, folks. I'm going to put you on mute right now. And oh, wait, never mind.
No scoring, 3 penalties, and 5:32. The Titans number 11, Benny McClellan, 2-minute rule. At 13:38, Scots number 7, Grant Tilson, 2-minute rough. And at 15:36, Scots number 16, Gavin Olson, 2-minute cross check. Saves in the first, Nathan McGuire for the Titans, 10 saves on 10 shots.
10 shots for the Scots.
For the Scots, 6 saves on 6 shots.
And the Tartan Titans had 6 shots. All right, we'll be back here in a few minutes, folks.
It's like a backup quarterback for football. Don't want to get injured in JV. But is yeah. And the JV one has to get in your group.
All right, welcome back, folks. We are back for our second period. Current score is 0-0. Scott's got some work to do. They've got going in on a penalty kill right off the top with 36 seconds to go. Scott's got to stay out of the box. We're going to make some progress tonight. We're pretty evenly matched with Tartan, and they will capitalize. That if we keep the penalties keep happening in this game, it's probably going to be whoever has the best power play. So let's hope that we can slow that down. All right, again, our players to watch on the Tartan team. Number 7, Braxton. 11, Benny. 8, Jace. And 24, Carter. They are their top scorers. Braxton and Tommy at the dot here for the face-off. Scots are going to start with 4 guys on the ice. Bucci controlling the puck here for the Tartan. He's going to go up for the rush. He's facing off with McMullen, and he's going to throw it behind the net. Johnson tries to poke check it away, and he's not successful. Tartan looking for their option. They're staying to the outside right now. 12 seconds to go in the power play. Nice steal by Leo Kirsch. He's able to exit the zone. Rust goes on the charge. He slows up a little bit, though. We are back to full strength. Warner loses the puck at his feet here. He is able to clear the zone, but Rust grabs it. He's going in for a breakaway. Oh, shot is saved and deflected up into the netting. All right, Ian Walls facing up with Chuck Campbell here in our offensive zone. Campbell wins the draw, but we quickly regain control. Johnson pushes it over to Olson. Olson not able to get a good handle on it, and Tartan picks it up. Charlie Rust able to throw it back deep in the zone, and Warner goes on the attack. Tartan comes out with it. They're going to go in on a 2-on-2, but they're not even going to take a chance. They're just going to throw it in, and it is on net, so Bat is going to freeze it. Take a chance to get some new skaters on the ice, it looks like, for both teams. All right. Tartan wins the draw. It is blocked. Looks like they had 2 shots, both saved. Russ gives it to Olson. Olson's going to carry it in. He's going to dump it. Mustafa picks it up, pushes it back to the corner. He's not able to get to it, though. Kirsch goes in for a battle behind the net. Mustafa throws it the other direction. It ends up on Olson's stick. He takes the shot. It is high. Tartan takes over control. They're able to break it out. Olson pushes it to Johnson behind the net. Johnson's going to look for a chance. He throws it up looks for the long pass to Kirsch, but it is intercepted. Johnson's going to grab it. He's going in. He's got no one with him. Oh. Kirsch puts it in front, but we aren't able to get our stick on it. Nice shot is saved by Bat. Johnson's got it again. He's looking for his chance. He's going to go in slow. He's finding his option. Pushes it up to, there it is, there it is. Oh, nice shot. Great work by Johnson. Nice shot by Kirsch. Way to be in the slot. All right. Bradford, Ship, and Tilson on the ice. They're out with McMullen and Karvinen. Ship is going to face off against number 7, Braxton. McMullen has it at the point. He's able to get it through the slot. There's nobody there helping. Bradford pushes it back to Max. Max's shot is blocked. Tilson goes in for the challenge, and the puck ends up in the netting. We're going to get a new face-off here. Tartan's going to put a couple new guys on the ice. Ship at the dot. Tartan wins the face-off. They push it back in the corner. Good pressure by Bradford and Tilson. Nice battle for Ship. Both teams kind of trying to get control here. Bradford's going to chip it in and go in on the chase. Ends up on Will's hand, or excuse me, Warner's hands. He's able to give it to McMullen, who gets the shot off. Karvinen regrouping here with McMullen. Both teams battling neutral ice for control. A little bit of ping pong here. Warner's pushes it out of the zone, ends up on Rust's stick. Rust has it. Oh, we're going to get another penalty on the Scots. Oh, looks like it's going to be on Ian Wallace this time. Scott's going back to the box. 12 minutes, 45 seconds to go in this period. Scots go back on the PK. Tartan takes control. Shot is blocked by Kirsch. Nice shot by Tartan, and it is saved by Bat. They're working the outside. Point to point. Shot is high. Tartan still controlling the puck. Shot is blocked off of Johnson. Attempted tip. Goes behind the net. 1 minute 30 to go in this PK. Tartan maintaining control on the outside. Nice. Johnson able to pick it up and clear the zone. Tartan resetting. Those who have just joined, we have a minute to go in a PK here with 11 minutes, 50 seconds to go in the second period. Score is 0-0. Tartan going in on the rush. Their shot is saved. Johnson clears the zone again. Bradford putting nice pressure on. 30 seconds to go. Johnson takes it behind the net. Scott, the shot is blocked by Johnson, and he is able to get it out of the zone. I'm not sure. He's not clearing it, though. He's able to. That was lucky. A little puck luck there for Johnson. 5 seconds to go in this penalty kill. Scots need to hold on a little bit longer. We are back to full strength, folks. Johnson steals it again. He's going to throw it up to Rust, and Rust, oh, he got stopped. Oh, Mustafa almost got his hands on it. Puck has turned over. Good work by Booch. Oh, puck ends up out of the zone here. Tartan Booch was able to get it into the slot. Had a nice little play between the legs. Tartan had an opportunity there, but the Scots shut him down. Attempted shot just wide of the net. Scots tempted to make a long pass. We weren't successful, but we are able to pull it out of the zone. Mustafa pushes it to Rust. Rust is not able to get it to the net. He goes to the corner. Mustafa pushes it in the slot. McMullen trying to hold it. Oh, not able to hold the zone. He pushes it over to his partner. Scott's able to get it down deep, but they have to go on the chase here. Tartan enters the zone. They're not able to get to the net. Scott stop him in the corner. Kirsch able to push it out of the zone, but there's nobody there to pick it up. And the icing is going to be waved off here. McMullen looking for his chance, gets it up. Oh, nope, ends up in Tartan's hands. We got a little ping pong happening here in neutral space. Tartan picks it up. Oh my gosh, attempted shot is blocked by Wallace. Nice self-sacrifice play for him. Whew. I think our camera is 100% crooked. Look at our angle. Do you see that? Right here? It's tilted. Folks, I'm sorry, we have a tilted camera. I don't know if we can fix it. All right, picked up by Rust. He's got it poke checked away. Johnson grabs it. He's going to go in, but he's got a guy right on him. He gets the shot off. It is saved. Whew.
That's not Arendelle game. It looked like that, but I tried to fix it and it couldn't.
It's as long as you can see it, you're fine. All right, we got Ian Wallace facing off against Benny it looks like McClellan or Tartan. Johnson's able to stop it at the point. Oh, we're going to get a call on nice. Warner pushes it up to Johnson. Warner picks it up. Oh, he's not able to get full control over it. Now it's Tartan's turn to go to the box. They tripped Charlie Rust right next to the net. Eight minutes, 30 seconds to go in the second period. Score is 0-0. Scots on the power play. Johnson holding it at the point. Shot by Olsen. Oh, there it is! Oh, a nice attempt by Rust. Wow, great save by the Tartan goalie. Nice. Oh, Rust tried to make a play, and Tartan was able to clear. Johnson's going to go grab that puck. He's got some pressure on him, though. Tartan enters the zone. They shoot wide of the net. Scots need to get themselves together here. We're on the power play. All right, puck's in Johnson's hands. He's going to go. He's got time, but he's got Booch right on him. He's looking for his chance. His shot is saved, and they're going to ring it around. Oh, the attempt was Let's see, what are we going to get here? What's the whistle? We're going outside. Maybe the net's, oh, the net's off. Puck ends up outside. Scots win the draw. Olsen mishandles it, has to push it to Johnson. They've backed themselves up into the zone. Johnson pushes it up to Olsen. Olsen gives it back to Johnson. Johnson's got somebody right on him, but he's still got the puck. Hopefully he can get it back to Olsen at the point. Oh no. Rust and Olsen got to get back. They got a guy. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, nice save by Bat. And we're going to get a call. Someone's going to the box. Tommy, I think, is getting a slash call. Dang it. Oh, 30 seconds. We had 30 seconds to go in the power play, and now we're going to the box. So we're going to have a 4-on-4 here and then go on the kill. Tartan controlling the puck here. They mishandle, though, ends up in neutral space. Charlie Rust putting some great pressure on him, putting him into the zone. Mustafa Ahmadad also going in to make the challenge. Nice play. Rust is going to get that shot. Is blocked. Oh, boys. You got to get up. All right, Tartan trying to regroup here. They're going to enter the zone. Shot is wide of the net. Tartan is at full strength. Scott's officially on the penalty kill. Nice save by Bat. All right. Looks like we've got Bradford here at the draw. Scots pick it up. They're going to dump it. Nice clear by Kirsch. Tartan going in. They're going to dump it in and go on the chase. They lose the zone. 50 seconds to go in this PK. Nice play by 27, trying to get in front. Johnson picks it up. He's going to grab it. Oh, he wasn't able to get full control, but he better get back. What are we going to get now? What's going on? Maybe offsides? Oh, looks like Tartan got an offsides call. Johnson able to clear the zone. Tartan currently managing the puck here. They lose it, though. They're getting a little sloppy here, so Scots, hopefully they can capitalize. Nice poke check by Warner. He gets in the zone. Keep going, Warner. Keep going. Oh, nice. Oh, fabulous pass by Warner to Ship, and Ship gets it right on net. Nice play by the Tartan goalie. Excellent work by our two Scots players. Just all hustle there. Kirsch at the dot. Tartan comes out with it. They push it out. They're going to, let's see. We're almost at full strength. Nice. Mustafa was able to dump it in. Scott's back to full strength. Puck ends up back in our defensive zone. McMullen getting some pressure on the boards. Nice. Russ picks it up. He blocks a shot. He's going to go in on a one-on-one here. Oh, and he attempts to make a move. Oh, Kirsch puts it in the slot, but there was nobody where he was going. We got to get the Scots. Oh, nice save. Nice play by Karvinen. Good back check. Both defenders working well together. Amada puts it in the slot. Oh, nice shot by Rust. We just can't get it in the net. Woo! Nice. Rust to Rust, and they next. He says at least he's not yelling, so I'll take it. Scott's battling behind the net. Karvinen's going to dump it back in deep, and then we've got Warner going on the chase here, putting some pressure on the boards. He pushes it back to Wallace. Wallace battling behind the net here. Tartan is able to pick it up and go on the breakout. Tartan picks it up. Everyone kind of gets stuck on the boards. Oh my gosh. All right. Tartan has it behind the net. Puck was right in the slot. Everyone kind of lost it in the air. Oh, Tartan had someone at the back door. We're lucky they didn't get control of it. Warner battling the boards. Tartan loses his own. We're scrambling a little bit. We're in a little bit of a danger zone here. We got to get some fresh legs out on the ice. A lot of slapping at the puck. Ship pushes it out. Tartan moves it right back in again. It's okay to clear. We're going to get a wave off of icing here. Got some new kids out on the ice. Ship battles in the corner with Tilson. Both teams trying to gain control. They push it out. Tartan picks it up at the hash marks. They're going to go in on the rush here. Disrupted by Tilson and Bradford. Bradford's got an opportunity. He's going to go in. Get that shot. Oh, just shy. All right, Scots are going to have to regroup here. Johnson's going to go pick up the puck. He's got two guys on him. He pushes it up to Amadad. Amadad not able to get the puck. He does looking for the steal, though. Takes the shot. Oh, he's going to go into the boards. We're going to get a tripping call here on 27 and for Tartan. Mustafa went into the boards. He's all right. Both these teams really see an opportunity to win this game, so they're going in hard. Looks like we've got our
Minor penalty has been assessed to the Titans number 27, Carver Mark. 2 minutes for tripping. Time of the penalty.
Scott's on the power play here. Russ does a escape move here back towards the boards. Tartan able to pick it up, gall darn it. Leo Kirsch able to grab it. He's going to push it up to Johnson. Johnson's going to look for his chance. He pushes it over to Olsen. Oh, Olsen fans on the slap shot. Russ is going to put it in the slot. Oh, nice attempt, hey, boys. Nice shot by Kirsch. Tartan didn't like him in there. Scott's got 1 minute 34 seconds to go on this power play, and we have 1 minute 13 seconds to go in this period. So Scots are going to go into the third with 20 seconds on the power play. All right, Kirsch on the draw. Russ has it on the boards. He's going to push it back to Johnson. Johnson's looking for his chance. He pushes it in. Oh, and Kirsch, nice tipped attempt. Tilson grabs it. He throws it up to, I think it's Olsen over there on the hash. He's looking for his chance. He's thinking about giving it to Johnson. Johnson pushes it to Rust. Got to make a move, boys. No. Johnson loses it at the blue line, and he's going to have to, now he's going to take it back in. He's battling here. There we go. There we go. Oh, nice shot by Johnson, tipped by Tilson. Him and Tilson and Kirsch are right there, ready to get that tip. .25 seconds to go in the period. Russ to Kirsch, or excuse me, Kirsch to Russ, Russ to Johnson. Johnson gives it to Olsen. They kind of mishandle it there. They got to regroup here. Olsen takes a shot. It is blocked by number 8, Booch. Johnson's going to take the chance. His shot is saved. All right, we got 3 seconds to go here, folks. Looks like we're going to end this period 0-0. Tight game for both teams here, and we're going to go into a power play with 20 seconds to go on the power play in the third period. Yep, we'll see you guys back here in a minute. All right, welcome back, folks, for our third period. Both teams really battling hard for that first goal. Scott's got 30 shots. Tartan has 14, so they're really peppering this kid. Sophomore goalie, number 29. What is his name? Nathan McGuire. He's standing on his head today. Sounds like he faces 30, 40 shots a game, so he's getting a lot of experience here at the varsity level. All right, here we go. We got Tommy Russ at the dot. Pushes it back to Gavin. Gavin to Johnson. Johnson pushes it up to Amadad. Amadad not able to handle the puck. Puck ends up on Olsen's stick. Pushes it to Amadad. Amadad to, couldn't quite get it to Rust. Rust takes a hit. He goes down. Kirsch picks it up. Tartan's back to full strength. Rust grabs it. He pushes it to Olsen. Olsen's shot is blocked. Rust picks it up and he goes in the net. Oh, Tommy Rust finally finds the back of the net. Nice. Oh, nice. Excellent work, Scots. It was only a matter of time. You can't have that many shots on net and not have one go in. Nice work by Tommy Rust, and really kept putting pressure on both him and Amadad. So they hustled and worked for that one. All right, now we just got to keep it. All right. Olsen throws it up into neutral space. We're getting a back and forth here. Scott's getting pulled back deep into the zone. Shot is saved by Bat. Scott's working the breakout. They lose control. Tommy Russ takes a big hit. Johnson picks it up in the corner. He banks it to Amadad. Johnson picks it back up, puts it to Kirsch. Kirsch tries to bank it off the boards. Johnson trying to get some forward progress here. He puts it in the slot, nobody home. Tartan throws it out. Scots don't have much of a chance here with the, oh, wow. Looks like Warner mishandled it and accidentally put himself offsides at the blue line. Whoops. Oh, they're throwing it all the way back into, okay. Not sure what happened here, but we now have a face-off in our defensive zone. Maybe it wasn't offsides. Maybe I was wrong. Ian Wallace takes the face-off. Tartan wins the draw, but they step on the puck, and the defender loses his skate, and Scott's able to get it into the slot area. Tartan able to pick it back up. Heads up. Oh. Puck came up here into the stands. Everyone's clear, though. Throw it back out. Okay. All right. Tartan picks up the puck off the faceoff, but we quickly intercept it. Russ grabs it. Oh, we're going to lose the zone here. Carvinen gives it to McMullen. McMullen banks it up to Warner. Warner pushes it in the zone. Ian Wallace goes on the chase. Carvinen has a shot opportunity. Is saved. Oh, shoot. Carvinen tries to throw it up to the point, but just couldn't quite get it to McMullen in the right spot. McMullen's got some pressure here. He banks it off the boards. Nice play by McMullen, but he throws it up and it ends up in Tartan's hand. Nice save by Bat. Carvinen clears the zone. Rust goes on the chase. Oh, no, he's going to get a change. I think we're in an icing call here on the Scots, but that's all right. We needed a fresh set of legs on the ice, so we're going to take it. Nice save by Bat. Johnson banks it back to Olsen behind the net. Olsen, oh shoot, Olsen pushes it to Bush. Oh. The no pass. Oh, Olsen's kicking himself right now. He tried to give it over to Johnson, but threw it through the slot, and Bucci was right there. He's putting up his 13th point of the season, his 10th goal. All right, well, back to a tie game, Scots. All right. It's like the coaches had to converse a little bit with the referees here. Olsen picks it up to Amadad. Amadad enters the zone. He is knocked off the puck.
And even strength unassisted goal at 2:55 of the third period for number 8, Joyce Ritchie.
Scots push it in the neutral space here. Tartan recollects it. We're going to get an icing call here on Tartan. We'll take the face off. All right, we got Ship at the draw. Tartan comes out with control of puck, and they're going to bank it up. Scott's able to block it, push it back into the zone, but Tesser grabs it, and he's going to go up, enter the zone with Parent. Throwing some hits down there in the corner. Tilson takes a hit as well. Shot on net is saved by Bat. Ooh, some garbage out in front of the net, but we're able to kick it back. Oh, and Tartan not able to hold the zone. They pick up the puck. A lot of hitting happening. Ship throws them off the play. McMullen grabs it. Pushes it to Tilson. Tilson attempts to get it back up to Ship. Bradford tries to make the hit, but he goes down. Like I said, these Tartan boys, they're strong. It's going to take a lot to knock them down. Oh, and we're going to get a... Wow. I was kind of thinking that might be a penalty. Puck is shot by Ship and ends up into the netting here. I think what happened was that player lost a wheel, but his skate touched Tilson's skate, and he just wiped out. Ramsey with the, Wallace with the draw. Johnson takes a shot, ends up in the slot. Nobody able to get that rebound. Tartan throws it up high, and they're going to get an icing call. We'll take it. We'll have those face-offs. Ian Wallace facing Chuck Campbell here on the face-off. Tartan comes out with the puck. They bank it. They exit the rink here, so we're going to get a retry here on this faceoff. Tartan able to pick up the puck off the draw. Riley Rutherford throws it in, brings it in the zone. He pushes it up to the point. Point pushes it back in the corner. Johnson picks up the guy, allows Olsen to take the puck out and chip it up to Rust. Rust putting some pressure on with Warner. They're going to bank it around the boards here. Tartan picks it up. Scott's not able to push him out the puck, but Olsen able to intercept the puck. Nice steal. He's going to carry it in. Not able to maintain control, however. Here's the kid we got to watch for. Bucci had it, but we ended up getting it back. Intercepted by number 11, Benny McCullen. Tartan able to get it up to the point. Pressure by Amadad kept the shot wide. Johnson grabs it. He banks it behind the net. Amadad trying to bank it off the boards. Johnson makes the block. He's going to carry it, pushes it up to Russ. Russ has got a breakaway. Oh, and the goalie makes the save. And we're going to go back here. Booch brings it in. They're able to put, wow. Scott's able to block those shots. Johnson getting a little risky going up towards the forward position here. He's got to get himself back. McMullen makes the long pass to Amadad. Amadad enters the zone, but he does not have control of the puck. McMullen gives it to Carvin, and Carvin carries in the zone. Bradford puts it towards the net. Ship gives it to McMullen. It is blocked by a Tartan player. Ends up back in the corner. Tartan picks it up. Watch out for this number 24. He's got some points. Oh, nice save by Bat. Oh, they got it up in the slot. We're going to go to the box. I think we're going to the box. Ship got a little chippy behind the net, and he slapped a kid on the back with a stick. That's a no-no, folks. Whew, that's putting the Scots here at risk. We got 9 minutes, 30 seconds to go here in the third, now on a penalty kill. Not the position that we want to be in. But we've been managing these penalty kills all night, so let's see how we do it. Let's do it again. Rust able to pull it back. Olsen attempts to throw it, and he mishandles it. Johnson pushes it. Oh, we're able to clear. It looks like between Kirsch and Johnson and Olsen, they were able to get it down. Johnson holds it. Booch able to throw it deep in the zone. Nice clear by Olsen. Tommy's getting a little aggressive. He's going to have to get back now. Booch entering the zone. Nice poke check by Olsen, pushes him to the corner. Kirsch picks it up. Oh, nope, it ends up back on the stick of the defender. They're working the outside, looking for their opportunity. Here's the shot. Misses the net. At the point again. Oh, they lose the zone. Our forwards are going to get a switch here. They better hurry up. Bradford and Mustafa have been playing a little bit more conservative on the PK. Nice poke by Amadad. He carries it behind the net. He loses a wheel. He ends up losing the puck. Bradford loses the stick. We got 25 seconds to go in this PK. Looks like Johnson's going to be able to clear it. Oh, he pushes it up to Mustafa. Mustafa still has it. He's got Bradford in the slot. Tartan able to take control. These guys got to be careful. We got 5 seconds to go here. 7 minutes, 25 seconds to go in the game. Highland Central is back to full strength. Johnson's going to have to pull it back behind the net. He dumps it to Olsen. Olsen's in Gretzky's office looking for an opportunity to think about where he's going to make this breakout here. He's going to push it up to Warner. Oh, poke checked away. Scott's trying to go for those long passes. Olsen, nice interception. Picked up by Wallace. Wallace is going to, oh boy. He should have got a penalty on that one. Wow, we are lucky. Tartan dumps it in. Johnson loses it behind the net. Oh, he picks it back up again. He's getting hooked. Well, I don't know. We kind of deserve it. Warner gives it to Johnson. Johnson's looking for his opportunity. He loses a stick. He's just going to get off the ice. Probably a good idea. Carvinen pushes it in the zone. No, he just lost the stick. He just felt it was more appropriate to go off the ice and go find it. Tartan puts it in the zone. Kirsch brings it into the zone. Battling for control on the net. He picks it up. Oh, Tartan able to poke check it away. Russ had his stick being manhandled. Carvinen, get that shot. Oh, just wide. Woo. Carvinen, do it again. Amadad makes an escape play in the corner, pushes it up to Kirsch. There's no one in the slot. Kirsch, get to the slot, buddy. Amadad, attempted shot is blocked. McMullen's got it. He's going to hold the zone. Gives it to Carvinen. Carvinen, oh, nice try. Oh, Carvinen gives a wide pass to Kirsch. Kirsch just couldn't quite get it. McMullen's shot is blocked. And Tartan's going to clear the zone here and take the icing call. It's fine. Tartan working to clear the zone. Wallace puts it right back in. Warner goes on the chase, putting some pressure on. Tartan still controlling it, though. They're able to get that breakout. Olsen picks it up. Back in Tartan's hands. They mishandle the pass, and Wallace is right there. Johnson able to hold the zone. Wallace pushes it over to Olsen. Nice pass by Wallace, and it is blocked and goes high. 4 minutes to go in the game. Tartan going in on the rush. Olsen's attempt to poke check, but he does get him in on the boards in the corner, so we take control. He chips it up to Warner. Warner not able to get his hands on it. Johnson has it now behind the net. Tartan's got a change here. Oh, and Johnson fans on the pass. Luckily had a defensive partner right there, able to pick up for the error. Tartan chooses to dump it in. Olsen's got, or excuse me, Tilson able to, puts it to Ship. Ship takes a hit. Bradford's going to get a hit too. Johnson's got it. He's trying to figure out a space. Pushes it back to Olsen. Olsen backs up into the zone. Gives it back to Johnson. Johnson's going to carry it in. He's looking for his chance. Trying to find, there he is! Oh, Tilson was there this time, just couldn't get it on net. Johnson grabs it. He banks it up to Tilson. Nice. Oh, Tilson couldn't quite get full control over it. Scots lose control. They're going to throw it up. Ends up on Johnson's stick again. He's going to push it over to Olsen, I'm guessing. Nope. Gives it to Rust. Rust has got, it's McMullen, excuse me. He's the defensive pair out there. McMullen goes up in front of the net. Good thing he got back to his spot because Rust wasn't covering. All right. Rust battling in the corner. Ooh, he takes a hit. Oh, we're going to get an icing call here. Scots are about a foot out of the red line space, so. All right, folks. If you're tuning in now, it's a 2 minutes left to go in the game, and it's currently tied 1-1. Tartan dumps it in. Carvenden picks it up. He pushes it back to McMullen. McMullen banks it up to Olsen, or to, Amadad, but the Tartan defender was able to push it back in the zone. Both teams battling in the corner here. We got to be careful not to get a penalty. Rust throws a hit to Booch. And then gets it up to Kirsch. Kirsch is going to get zone entry here. He goes in slow, trying to find an opportunity. He does a few escapes, puts it back to Rust. Rust, he attempts to get it to Amadad on the far side of the slot. Oh, no, here we go. Here we go. Oh, save! Oh, my gosh. Nice save by Bat. Wow. Scots get a lucky break here. Bat keeping him in the game. Campbell takes the shot. It is blocked by Amadad. Whoa, big hit by Tartan, and they're going to get a penalty. Scots are going on a power play for the end of this game. Oh, wait a minute. Scots are going to the box. He was the one that got hit. Huh. He took the hit, so I'm a little surprised that he's in the box. Oh, he's getting a roughing call. Bummer. Oh, boy. Okay, Scots are going on the PK for the last minute of the game. It's hot. Both teams thinking their strategy here. All right, here we go, folks. We got Rust at the draw. Got Johnson, McMullen, and Kirsch out. Booch picks it up, puts it up to the point, takes it back in the slot. He's going to carry it to the outside. Kirsch picks it up. Nice grab by Rust. Good pressure here by the Scots. A little risky, though, not pushing it deep into the zone. But we're trying to, oh, no. No. Oh, my God. We're going to take another penalty. Slash on Kirsch. Man.
It's always when it's close.
Yeah, well, I mean, it was a slash. Shoot. Mm-mm. Not what we want. Okay, Scots have got 31 seconds to go, and we are on a 3-on-5. My gosh. Oh, best we can do is get it in the corner. Hold it there. Nice. Johnson's got to send it. Nice. Oh, he gets it down deep, and McMullen goes on the chase to try to get it in the corner. He's trying to pin it. Scott's trying to get back. 15 seconds to go. Tartan going in on the rush. 9 seconds. Rust able to clear the zone. Ho, ho, ho. And Scots are going to go into the overtime. But we're going into overtime with penalties. So this is going to be, whew. They don't clear those penalties when we go to overtime. So we're still going to have to, 8 minutes sudden death overtime. Scots have 1 minute on the first penalty and 1.5 minutes still on the second penalty. So we got some time here. We got to kill. He just hip checked him into the boards.
What was the penalty?
They gave him a roughing call, and he just hip checked him. That wasn't even. It was even slow. Oh, it was that one. Yep, that was it.
He kind of missed it though.
All right, we got a minute to go here, folks. Still in their timeout here or their break. All right, here we go. Let's see how the Scots do here. Whew. Nervous. Booch takes the puck. Johnson pushes it to the outside. Shot is saved. McMullen. Wait, what happened? Oh, they didn't start the clock? That's what it looks like. Oh, no. Not really sure what happened. We had a whistle. It should be at center. Yeah, it should be at center ice. If it was an incidental, we were going to clear the zone.
You're doing it wrong.
Oh, jeez.
Ethan can center ice too. He's coming to tie you. She's right. She's smart.
All right, Scots have 41 seconds to kill on their first penalty still. Puck ends up back behind the net. Johnson throws it. Tartan able to grab it. They get control in the corner. Oh, they push it through the slot, and they're not able to get a piece of it. Puck ends up at the point. Nice block by McMullen. "16 seconds. Tartan controlling it on the outside. They push in the slot. They end up missing the opportunity when they pushed it through. Booch has it behind the net. Save. Save again. All right, we got 4 out. 30 seconds to go in the kill. Oh, nice save. Oh, Emery standing on his head. Our defense are just making great plays. Keeping it out of the slot. 13 seconds. They got a lot of guys in there. Booch has got it again. Oh, Johnson able to get in front of the open space. He's able to clear it. All right. Tartan going in against Johnson. Their shot is high. They don't want to face him. All right. Scots chip it out of the zone. Tartan picks it up, and they're going to get a chance here to. Johnson's can't find it. Puck ends up at the point. Tartan has control of it. They take the shot. Johnson grabs it. He's going to take it. Tartan trying to get him. Oh, he pushes it over to Rust, and he wasn't there. Oh, my gosh. Olsen's shot is saved. Wow. Well, ends up on Olsen's stick. His shot is saved. Both teams battling. Puck exits the zone. Johnson picks it up. He's got Campbell on his back. He's able to clear it. Scott's not able to control it, however. Parent picks it up. Oh no! Campbell scores! Campbell scores. Tartan wins the game. Excellent play by the Scots. Tartan comes out on top. Campbell gets the goal. All right, folks. Well, that's a bummer for the Scots. Both teams battled hard. Just letting you guys know that February 4th is our next game. That's Tuesday at SPA, and followed by a game on the 6th against Two Rivers. I hope to see you guys tune in again. Have a great night.